If your Joy-Con is physically attached to the Switch but not registering, it usually stems from a dirty or damaged rail contact or connection glitch, or system sync issue. Here's how to fix it step by step. Let's get into it. Solution 1. Restart and full power cycle the console. Hold down the power button in the top of your Switch for about 15 seconds. This force resets your Nintendo Switch and clears minor system glitches that can cause connection drops. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on with the power button. See if the issue persists. Solution 2. Reset controller connection. From the home screen, go to System Settings. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom. Select Disconnect Controllers. Follow the on-screen steps to unpair them. Then repair your Joy-Cons by attaching them to the Switch or using the Sync button. Solution 3. Reset and repair the Joy-Con controller. Detach the Joy-Con again. Press the small round Sync button on the side for a few seconds until lights flash. Then slide it back into the console properly and press any button or L+R to confirm recognition. You should go to Controllers from your home screen. Then select Change Grip Order. Try pressing the L and R button again to see if it shows up. Hopefully this time your issue will be fixed. I've shared these solutions with you because they worked for me whenever I faced this problem. Hope they work for you too. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on your console gaming. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.